first 2 paisa coin was introduced in 1957 as 2 naya paisa. Because the decimal changed from 1957, like 1 paise to 1 naya paisa, then 1 paisa. But the 2 paisa coin was introduced in 1957 from as 2 naya paise coin. It is a copper nickel coin, weight 3 grams and diameter 18 mm. It is a scalloped shape and smooth edge. This is 1957 coin. I will show. These are both 1957 coin. 2 नया पैसे, रुपए का 50वां भाग in Devanagari. It is 1957 Bombay Mint coin, and it is Kolkata Mint coin because there is no mint mark here. Then another coin was circulated in 1957 coin was minted from Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad. These are to some extent all common coins, value from 20 to 25 rupees or maybe up to 30. 1958 Bombay, Calcutta, Hyderabad and 1959 both were Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad minted coins. All coins are common coins, value from 20 to 25 rupees. Now it is 1960. This was minted in Bombay and Calcutta only. Bombay Mint coin is a common coin and Calcutta Mint coin is a rare coin, values 100 rupees or something more depending upon the condition of the coin. Now it is 1961. I am not having these coins other than 1957. 1961 Bombay, Calcutta, Hyderabad is also a common coin, value from 20 to 25 rupees. Now it is 1962 here. This is uncleaned coin covered by dirt and dust, and the climatic effect is there also. It is Bombay Mint coin. This is a mint mark of Bombay. Now it is 1963. This was also minted from Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad. This is a Kolkata Mint coin, a common coin. Now it is 1964, an important coin. 1964 the decimal changed from naya paisa to paisa. Here it is रुपए का 50वां भाग in Devanagari. 2 paise, not naya paisa, in 1964. It is also a Kolkata Mint coin. Now the metal of the coin changed from copper nickel to aluminum magnesium in 1965. It is 1965 coin. Its weight is 1 gram, diameter 20 mm, 8 notches. It is a scalloped coin, bell shaped, minted in Calcutta and Bombay only. 1965 coin Bombay and Calcutta are square coins. Values from 250 rupees, maybe more. Then it is 1966. It is Bombay Mint also. See the mint mark here. 2 paise in Devanagari and paise in English. Then it is 1967. 1968, 1969, 1970, both are Bombay Calcutta mint coins. These are all common coins except 1969. That was minted in Bombay only. It is a rare coin, values up to 1000 rupees in UNC condition or lower than 1000 depending upon the condition of the coin. Now 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. These all coins were minted in Bombay and Calcutta. These are all common coins. Now it is 1975, Hyderabad and Calcutta. Hyderabad is a common mint coin, and Calcutta is a rare coin. Values from 100 to 500 rupees depending upon the condition of the coin. Now it is 1967. All are aluminum coins, but I am sorry to say I am not having these coins in my collection. Uh, 1967, 1977, 1976, 1977, both are Bombay and Calcutta mint coins. 1978, Bombay and Calcutta coin, and 1979 was minted in Hyderabad only. That is a rare coin. Its value is rupees 300 depending upon the condition of the coin. And there is on metal OMS coins also. Instead of aluminium, these were printed on copper nickel coins of 25 paisa copper nickel metal. 172 was also on metal strike, and 71 is also a 70 copper nickel on metal strike. These are very costly coins. 1970 coin was sold in an exhibition for 56,000 rupees. And 72 coin was sold for 5,000 rupees on metal strike coin, OMS. OMS means on metal strike, that is by chance it is some other metal is used other than the regular metal. Hope you would have enjoyed this video. Thank you.